it's Susan here from Komori no Hime Cosplay, and today we're going to be making the Zodiac stones from Fruits Basket. To make the Zodiac stones, instead of using rocks, I just sculpted some rock shapes from Model Magic. I should point out that one package of Model Magic, the 4-ounce size, was enough to make 12 stones. And I'm just making the 12 for the time being because those are the only ones that have been shown in the new trailer so far, and I'm going to be painting them to look like their new designs. So now that the Model Magic has dried, I'm going to paint over it with a layer of Mod Podge to smooth it out, and I'm going to try and use that to fill in some of the cracks here. After they've been sealed with Mod Podge, we're going to go over them with a base coat of acrylic paint. Then we're going to take a fine-tipped permanent marker and draw on the facial features. Use a small paintbrush to fill in the features. Then we're going to coat them in a layer of glossy Mod Podge to give them a bit of shine. And with that, the Zodiac stones are done. For more cosplay tutorial videos, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching!